Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, I hope all of you are fine. Now, today we are going to start a new lesson, learn how to climb trees. Okay, how important it is to climb trees. This lesson is written by Jim Corbett, who always write about adventurous stories. Okay, so today he is going to write an encounter with a tiger. His friend says him the story. See, many tigers roamed about in the thick forest in the Kuman and Garhwal hills till the beginning of 20th century. Jim Corbett was brought up in this region. He loved mountains, forests and animals. He was an excellent shooter. He killed many man-eaters and saved the lives of countless people. So, he used to live in that area, children. Our writer Jim Corbett used to live in that area where there were many animals, man eaters. Tigers used to eat man. So, such kind of animals he has killed and saved countless people. Today is going to discuss a story his friend Kunwar Singh told him. Kunwar Singh was the first to visit me the day I was given my first gun. So, Kunwar Singh was the first person who visited Jim Corbett when he was given his first gun, it seems. He was 8 years old then. Jim Corbett was only 8 years old. He came early and I put the old double barreled gun into his hands with great pride. So he came home early. So Jim Corbett gave a double barreled gun in that big two barrels are kept inside. From that they shot. Okay, double barreled gun was put into his hand with pride he kept. So he laid the gun aside and said to him, "You are no longer a boy but a man." So he said to Jim Corbett, Kunwar Singh said to Jim Corbett that you are no longer a boy but a man, and with this good gun you can go anywhere you like in the jungles and never be afraid provided you learn how to climb trees. So he said, taking this gun you can go anywhere now in the jungle. Only thing is you should know how to climb trees and never be afraid provided you learn how to climb trees. I will now tell you a story to show how necessary it is for us who shoot in the jungles to know how to climb trees. So he is telling it is very important for us to climb trees. I will discuss a story with you. Who said? Kunwar Singh. Har Singh and I went to shoot one day last April. Who went? Har Singh and Kunwar Singh went one day to shoot last April. We started when the stars were paling. That means it was becoming dark. Since we found nothing to shoot, we started for home towards evening. Now they were coming back home. While we were taking a sandy nala that ran through dense scrub and thorn bamboo jungle, a tiger was looking at us. So when they were coming from a nala, everywhere dense forest was there, trees were there, children, and a tiger was looking at them. It stayed at us for some time but went back. So it stayed, looked steadily at them. Anyone seeing tiger, they will be afraid. Yes or no, children? But went back. We continued on our way, and the tiger came out again, and it was growling and twitching its tail. So they were continuing their way. But what happened? The tiger again came out and growling and twitching its tail, moving its tail. We stood still, and luckily the tiger left the nala. They didn't move, children. They were standing like that only, and the tiger went away from the nala. Being disturbed by the tiger, a number of jungle fowl rose cackling out of this dense scrub. So there was a tiger, no? So what happened? Many animals were hiding in the scrubs. So they were making some sound. So what happened? One animal was alighted. Just they were looking out of the scrub, alighted on a branch, and Har Singh fired at it. So Har Singh fired at it. So after listening to the fire, what happened? The tiger came towards us with a terrifying roar. Tiger thought that they are shooting the tiger, and it got very angry and it came near them. I had climbed up a rooney tree, but Har Singh could not climb up a tree as he had not learned to climb trees when he was a boy. So our Kunwar Singh has climbed the tree, but Har Singh don't know how to climb a tree, so he was down only. The tiger sprang up at him. Sprang means jumped at him, and he was screaming. Now I fired the gun off into the air. The tiger went away, and Har Singh collapsed at the foot of the tree. Now what happened? He was screaming because what tiger? Tiger was on Harsing now. What Kunwar Singh did? He fired a gun into the air and tiger went away. But Harsing collapsed at the foot of the tree. He has fallen down without any. He doesn't have any strength now, so he has collapsed. I climbed down very silently. So Kunwar Singh climbed down silently and went to Harsing. I found that one of the tiger claws had entered his stomach and torn the lining from his navel to within a few fingers breadth of the backbone. So when he went to Harsing, he saw that the tiger claws means nails, had entered his stomach. Navel means here down part of the stomach, children, lining from his navel. It will be the lower part of the stomach, and it was torn. His stomach was torn. What was inside has fallen outside. I could not know what to do. Now Kunwar Singh don't know what to do. So Harsing told me to put his intestines back into his stomach. All his intestines have come out, children. So what Harsing said, everything you keep inside, and all the stuff he kept inside using dry leaves, grass and twigs that stuck to them. Whatever was there, he has kept it inside. Now after that, what did he do later? I wound my pagadi round his stomach. Now what did he do later, children? Later he wound his pagadi. Okay, he tied his pagadi round his stomach and knitted it tight to keep everything from falling out again. So he had tied his pagadi tight. We started for home walking for 7 miles. I led the way and Harsing followed me. Holding the pagadi in position, Harsing told me that he wanted to meet the doctor. So they wanted to go to doctor now. We walked for the extra 3 miles to the hospital. It was night and the hospital was closed. But the Dr. Babu, who lived nearby, was awake. He asked me to call Aladia, the tobacco seller. So they reached the hospital, children, but hospital was closed because it was night. The Dr. Babu was awake, so they went there and they called Aladia. Aladia is nothing but tobacco seller. When I returned, the doctor had laid Harsing on a string bed. Aladia held the lantern and I held the 2 pieces of flesh together. Aladia was catching a lantern because there used to be no electricity that time. And 2 pieces of flesh this Kunwar Singh caught. The doctor was very kind. He sewed up the hole in Harsing's stomach. I offered him 2 rupees but he refused to take it. When we went home, the women folk were crying. So all the women were crying. What happened? What happened? Like that. Because he used to die. Everyone were crying. Paling. See glossary. Paling. Appearing less bright. Nala. A water course, especially a dry one. Scrub. An area of dry land covered with small bushes and trees. Cackling. Making a loud unpleasant noise. Collapse. To fall down suddenly because of loss of strength or support. Sew. To join or attach something using a needle or thread. Okay, children, you have to write glossary and read the lesson twice, children. Thank you. Take care.